Hello, welcome to Help, Helpful English Learning Place, the channel for all your English learning needs. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Today's video, question words. What, where, when, how. What did you eat? What did you eat for dinner? I ate spaghetti. How did he do? How did he do on his exam? He did very well. When did he get? When did he get a puppy? He got a puppy last weekend. Where did they go? Where did they go last Sunday? They went to the park. How did he go? How did he go to work? He went to work by bus. Where did you go? Where did you go for lunch? I went to the cafe. When did you move? When did you move house? I moved house last week. What did you wear? What did you wear at the party last night? I wore my pink dress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, and you can also click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos.